Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo with the iPad Pro 2020 11-inch screen replacement guide. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most crucial parts of iPad repair is proper heating. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side of the iPad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use the suction cups on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic car pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling, there are flex cables attached to the logic board. Once the separation has completed, pull the LCD and slide down to take out the protector shield by undoing two screws. The top cable width is short, pay attention while removing it. Now we can disconnect the connector. Now more space has opened on the LCD unit and the logic board. Rotate the screen just like you are halfway through to open a book. Next, you can undo 3 screws to remove the protector shield and disconnect all 4 touch and LCD connectors to pull out the screen. Replace the broken unit with a new one and start connecting back with the LCD and touch connectors. Make sure the connection is secured and add the protector shield by inserting 3 screws. Move to the top section and take the direction like closing a book. Slide the screen down and connect the top connector to the logic board. Ensure the connection is secure and you can start putting back the protector shield by inserting 2 screws. Now to clamp up the iPad, slide in the top section first and followed by the bottom. Click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Hope you have enjoyed the iPad repair guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.